Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Breakfast is done. And we're going back to our room. Going back to the room. And get ready for somewhere. Look, guys. That's the views. That's the view in our room here. And other side. Oh, my hair is sticking out like a chicken. Parang manok. Tuktulaok. That's the room. Sa balcony, ay sa window. Sa window namin. Ayan. Ang ganda, no? Ganda. Kasing ganda ko. Joke lang, huwag kayong maniwala. Yeah.